Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for coming out today. I invited you here because many of you were reaching out to my office and wanted to ask questions regarding the August 3rd memorial. So in an effort to be time efficient with good time management, I decided to invite everybody here and pretty much answer all the same questions that everybody was asking. So with that being said, we will get started. On August 3rd, 2019, at approximately 10:39 a.m., the El Paso community suffered the biggest tragic loss of life ever witnessed in this typically peaceful community. And the human spirit of this close-knit community was forever changed. As we approach the second annual memorial, I would ask the citizens of El Paso to take a moment of silence to honor those who lost their lives at the Walmart event and to keep in prayer the family members who have been left behind. The wounds of this event still run deep, and we are not anywhere close to being healed. So please be respectful of the families and of all the doctors, police officers, witnesses, firefighters, and EMS workers that were present on that day and witnessed the horrific events of August 3rd. Keep them in your thoughts and your prayers and be respectful of their decisions, whether they want to share their personal stories with you or if they would prefer to grieve in silence. The judicial system is still under strict COVID restrictions. Therefore, we cannot give you a current trial date at this time because we have to be mindful that the restrictions limit the number of jury trials that we can have in this courtroom on any certain date. We have to still keep in mind that we have to have social distancing. We have to limit the types of cases that proceed to trial because we have to limit the number of witnesses that are present in the courthouse. To date, we have only been proceeding on misdemeanor cases because those are small cases that only take between 2 to 3 days maximum to proceed and complete the jury trial process. A case of this magnitude is going to exceed well over 4 to 6 weeks. Therefore, we cannot, under the current strict restrictions, proceed to trial anytime soon. The current orders have been extended until at least October. As we get closer and we get continuous updates on when we can proceed full force, we will hold another conference and we will gladly keep everyone informed about when this case will be set for trial. Thank you all for coming out today. We appreciate your time, and we do hope that this has given answers to the community as to where we are on the case. We hope that we will be able to keep this case in El Paso. We are still seeking the death penalty. My trial team has been working very diligently on this case for the last 6 months, and we will continue to do so until we are told we have our trial date. When we have that information, we will share that with you. Thank you all, and have a wonderful afternoon.